All right, we got lucky. That just came available. 2021 Silverado High Country 3/4 ton HD 6.6 gas. One of the harder trucks to get right now. This was a sold order that a guy actually ordered a truck and then went to another dealer and ordered a truck there and decided to take the one that had got here first, because that's the kind of ridiculous stuff we deal with on a daily basis. So this truck is available. High Country comes with the factory boards, standard spray and bed liner, power outlet in the box, Bose stereo system, seat memory, trailering mirrors, buckets with heaters and coolers. This one comes in at $65,310. Navigation is standard along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This will be wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Heated steering wheel controls for the radio, built-in brake controller, heated and cooled seats, wireless charging station. This truck does not have a sunroof. It does have the multi-position camera set up, front and back. Truck shouldn't last too long. Comes with our standard lifetime powertrain warranty. Give me a call. Let me know what I can do.